Today let's learn additions. Addition is about putting things together to find out how many you have in total. This is a plus symbol. It is used in addition. This is an is equal to symbol. It gives us result of our number count. We have one apple. If we add another apple to it, now we get 2 apples. 1 plus 1 equals 2. We have 1 flower. Now let's add more 2 flowers. Now we get 3 flowers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now we have 2 ice creams. Let's add 2 more ice creams. Here we have 4 chilled ice creams. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's take 1 pencil. Now let's add 3 pencils to it. Here we have 4 pencils. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Let's take 2 eggs. Now add 3 eggs to it. Yum, we get 5 eggs. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now let's count with fingers. Repeat after me. 1 in the mind. Now count on fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 in the mind. Count on fingers. After 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 in the mind. Count on fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 in the mind. Count on fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Keep learning.